Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So you are also one of those people who make all the goals on like in December or like year end or like just in New Year that these are the resolution, these are my goals that I want to achieve and sooner or later कुछ time के बाद you are like नहीं यार नहीं हो पाएगा, you give up, right? So I know, I have also been there, and I know a lot of people who must be watching this video who must be thinking कि इसने तो ऐसा क्या ही बड़ा अचीव कर लिया कि ये अभी हमें आई है सिखाने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. सी गोल कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि गोल का मतलब सिर्फ एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ लाइक तुम्हें अंबानी बनना है वही एक गोल होता है. गोल कुछ भी हो सकता है लाइक एनीथिंग. सम पीपल वांट टू लूज वेट, that is also like goal. Some people want to work on their mental health, that is also a goal. कोई अपनी पढ़ाई में कुछ अचीव करना चाहता है, that is also a goal. The key to achieve anything in your life is to be consistent with your goals, to the work that you are putting in. So it's really important that you have to be consistent. So in this video I am going to share few of the points that will help you out to be consistent with your goals. Okay, now when I am talking about this, let me tell you one thing. My parents, please cover your ears. I used to be lazy AF. Literally, I was literally lazy. I'm not gonna say that I'm not lazy right now. I'm still lazy, but not that much. I've improved a lot. But होता है ना धीरे धीरे improve. Like before moving forward to what you should do or what you should not do, let me give you some insight about my goals. Okay, what goals I made and what goals I've achieved. Okay, so my first goal was to lose weight. Okay, uh, yeah, losing weight, and at the same time I wanted to work on my mental health as well. So first I want to talk about mental health because I have been in consultation with my with psychiatrist multiple of times. Okay, in 2021, then I think in 2022, but I was like in and off. I was not constant. Okay, I was not consistent with it. I would talk to them and then I would leave it. So when you are in a conversation or when you are in connection with psychiatrists, whatever they are going to tell you, you have to do it. Okay, suppose they have asked you to do a breathing exercise, you have to do it. Otherwise it doesn't make sense. You are just wasting your money and nothing else. सिर्फ बात करने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला. The thing that they are asking you to do, you have to do it to see the result. So I would talk to psychiatrist and then they will give me a homework. So they call it as a homework. So they used to give me a homework and उसके बाद मैं करती नहीं थी कुछ भी नहीं. And then I will switch to another psychiatrist और फिर मतलब मैं साइकेट्रिस्ट से बदलती रहती थी पर मैं कुछ करती नहीं थी. जैसे आई यूज्ड टू टॉक टू देम, फिर 1-2 महीने सब कुछ ठीक रहता था एंड देन आई लीव. सो इस बार मैंने ऐसा सोच के रखा था कि डजेंट मैटर वॉट एवर हैपन्स, आई एम गोना बी consistent with on working on my mental health. Doesn't matter whatever they are going to tell me, be it's breathing exercise, journaling, meditation, whatever they are going to ask me to do, I'm gonna do it. And till the time I've started consulting with my psychiatrist, till that time, from that time till now, ठीक है, मैंने एक बार भी सेशंस ऐसा नहीं है कि छोड़ दिए हों. और whenever I feel like I need it, I don't think twice. मैं directly जाती हूँ. Even if I'm not consulting with them, I make sure that I'm doing everything to keep my mental health healthy. Like I work out, I meditate, I journal, I do shadow work, I do affirmations, like everything. So I don't skip at all. Like these things are like non-negotiable for me. The workout is the thing that is like if I am like too busy, like a lot, मेरे पास बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं है, तभी ऐसा होगा कि I'll skip for one day. Otherwise I will not. मैं कभी skip नहीं करती. I make sure कि मैं करूँ. At the same time, I am as a thyroid person, it was very difficult for me to lose weight. Okay, doesn't matter whatever I used to do, मेरा weight घटता ही नहीं था. And I was like, it was very difficult for me. ठीक है, doesn't matter मैं घर का खाना खाऊँ या फिर मैं कितने टाइम भी मील्स लूँ, doesn't matter even if I'm eating for like one time in a day, फिर भी मेरे को मेरा वेट लॉस नहीं होता था. एंड डजंट मैटर लाइक इवन इफ आई वुड लाइक walk for 10,000 steps, still I was not able to lose weight. Okay, and slowly and gradually I started to accept it कि मैं कुछ भी करूँ मेरा weight loss नहीं होने वाला है. Like I accepted that fact. And then the other goal that I had was, I'm sorry that I would not be able to share it completely because of some of the things, but there was my grandfather's dream that he wanted to see, but I wish he could have, but it's okay, wherever he is I'm sure he would be really happy. He wanted to see that achievement actually. So because I was like, my upbringing was like that I've always been scared, I've always had fear, what if I lose, what if I would not be able to do it, and because of that I just kept it with me for 4 years and I never tried, I never did. And yeah, that was also in my goals, that doesn't matter whatever is going to happen, I'm gonna make it this year. It was not important for me because I knew that even if I will not complete it, I know that I will be working, but still because it was my grandfather's dream, so I wanted to complete it anyhow. And because of being consistent with my goals, I achieved every single thing. Okay, so yeah, if the only thing that I want to say about this video before moving forward is that if someone like me can achieve these things, which might seem to you small, but actually for someone it will be big. Okay, so if person like me can achieve these things, then you can achieve too. Okay, and yeah, so let's not wait and let's just get into the video. Okay, so first thing first, what you have to do, you have to make your goals. Okay, it can be anything, कितनी भी बड़ी गोल हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Okay, just make it, just make a list of it, but make sure that you are not going to mention any timeline of it कि मेरे को इतने टाइम में ये गोल अचीव करना ही है. नहीं, आई नो मैं बताऊंगी उसके बारे में बाद में, बट राइट नाउ यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ गोल्स. ओके, मेरे को पता है कि अभी लग रहा होगा कि हाँ ये तो 7th मंथ है, अब तो क्या ही गोल बनाऊंगा, अब तो सीधे. नो, व्हाई नॉट टुडे? जो कल करना है वो आज क्यों नहीं कर सकते? क्या प्रॉब्लम है? वी स्टिल हैव 5 months, राइट? तो कर सकते हैं, एटलीस्ट वी कैन स्टार्ट. Now, after making a list of your goals, now break it down into smaller pieces, okay, like smaller chunks. Let me give you an example. Like when you play a game, ठीक है, आप कोई गेम खेलते हो, आपको पता है कि ये मेरा ये लेवल है, ये गेम जो है मेरे को जीतने के लिए इतने लेवल मेरे को क्रॉस करने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है, दैट इज द फाइनल लेवल व्हेन आई विल विन दिस गेम. ठीक है, तो आपको पता है कि वो मेरा डेस्टिनेशन है, दैट इज द डेस्टिनेशन दैट आई हैव टू रीच. बट उसके पहले के जो लेवल्स हैं आपको वो भी तो क्रॉस करना पड़ेगा ना. तो आप जब सीधे लास्ट जब लेवल देखोगे एज अ योर गोल, सो इट वुड बी बिगर फॉर यू. इन द करेंट स्टेट दैट यू आर राइट नाउ, you will feel that it's big for you, and maybe because of that a lot of time people give up, क्योंकि उनको जो बीच के जो लेवल्स हैं ना जो वो क्रॉस कर रहे हैं वो उस पर फोकस ही नहीं करते कि हाँ मैं ये भी अचीव कर रहा हूँ. उन्हें क्या लगेगा कि ओ नहीं यार ये तो गोल बहुत बड़ा है, मेरे से तो नहीं हो पाएगा. सो जस्ट ब्रेक इट डाउन इन लाइक स्मॉलर चंक्स, यू नो, दैट इज अचीवेबल फॉर यू. यू विल बी कंसिस्टेंट एंड यू विल फील लाइक ओके आई एम अचीविंग समथिंग. उसके बाद पॉइंट नंबर 2, recognize your success. Okay? बहुत बार कैसा होता है ना कि हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करते हैं, लाइक वी वांट टू अचीव समथिंग, बट सपोज आप पैसे जमा कर रहे हो, आपने पहले कुछ नहीं जमा किया, अब आप कुछ जमा कर रहे हो, तो ये इम्प्रूवमेंट ही है ना. कुछ नहीं होने की जगह पे कुछ हो रहा है, तो इट इज़ इम्प्रूवमेंट, राइट? यू वांट टू स्टार्ट योर बिजनेस, आप कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे थे, आप बस बैठे हुए थे, आप सपना देख रहे थे कि अचानक से कुछ हो जाए, नहीं हो रहा था, राइट? बट नाउ यू आर डूइंग समथिंग, यू आर लर्निंग अबाउट इट, यू आर टेकिंग एक्सपीरियंसेस फ्रॉम पीपल, यू आर सेविंग मनी फॉर इट, ठीक है? आप फंडिंग के लिए पैसे ट्राई कर रहे हो कहीं से भी पता करने का, so it's improvement, right? It means you're working on your goals, you are one step closer, right, to your goals. So it is an improvement, right, to recognize your goals. Okay, recognize, because it will give you motivation, it will keep you consistent. You will be like कि oh इतनी छोटी छोटी मतलब ये चीजें, it means I'm improving, right? I'm one step ahead, ठीक है? मैं आगे बढ़ रही हूँ, I'm like closer to my goals. So it will keep you consistent. So keep acknowledging your success, even if it's like small, little, tiny success. Acknowledge it. Okay. Now, point number 3: reward your successes. Okay. See, it's what I do now. Especially, हमें क्या लगता है कि हम बस मेहनत ही करते रहे, और जब आप सिर्फ मेहनत करते रहते हो ना, आप सिर्फ like you know, slowly and gradually you will start to have tendency to sacrifice, ठीक है? आपके दिमाग में ये बात आ जाएगी that if you want to achieve something you have to sacrifice, okay? जो कि है, ठीक है, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है, that is true, but इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप अपना जान ही दे दो, okay? Like if I talk about it, the dream that my grandfather had, I remember that to complete it, the people who are closer to me, they know कि मेरी नाइट शिफ्ट होती है, राइट? सो मैं रात में काम करती थी, उसके बाद आई यूज्ड टू स्लीप, देन आई वेक अप, एंड उस टाइम से मैं जगी ही रहती थी और मैं वो काम कर ही रही होती थी, और उसके साथ साथ मेरा यूट्यूब भी चल रहा होता था, ठीक है? तो मैं अराउंड, मेरे को लगता है ना कि मैं दिन भर के 17-18 घंटे काम ही कर रही थी, लाइक लैपटॉप पे कॉन्स्टेंटली. मेरे लिए इतना एग्जॉस्टिंग होता था. आई वुड नॉट से कि मुझे मज़ा आ रहा था और मैं कभी एग्जॉस्ट नहीं हुई, मेरे को कभी गुस्सा नहीं आया, फ्रस्ट्रेशन हुआ, नहीं. बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ कि मेरे को फ्रस्ट्रेशन आता था, बहुत बार ऐसा होता था दैट आई लिटरली वांटेड टू गिव अप. मेरे को ऐसा लगता था अब मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, आई लिटरली वांट टू गिव अप, बट स्टिल आई वाज कंसिस्टेंट. मैंने बोला नहीं, मैं करूँगी चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. मेरे को गुस्सा आता था, कुछ भी आता था, बट आई डिड इट, ठीक है? सो इट टुक मी ऑलमोस्ट 6 months, क्योंकि फिर बीच में माई ग्रैंडफादर पास्ट अवे, सो उसकी वजह से मेरा 1.5 month का ब्रेक हो गया था यूट्यूब से भी और उस चीज़ से भी, तो उसकी वजह से मैं नहीं कर पा रही थी. सो आई केम बैक एंड स्टार्टेड अगेन. मुझे हर उस चीज़ को कंप्लीट करने में टोटल 6 months लग गए. लाइक I started from February and I ended it in June. And finally, when I'm going to have that success in my hands, I'm literally very grateful. So when I got that email that oh, finally it's completed, I decided that I'm gonna give myself a treat because I literally deserve it. Like 6 महीने मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है, so obviously I deserve it. Same thing I do with my workout. So 6 दिन, okay, 6 days I work out. That is like non-negotiable. मेरे को करना ही है, कुछ भी हो जाएगा. मैं बहुत बिजी हूँ, so I'll do Zumba. ठीक है, मैं डांस कर लूँगी, but I have to do. मेरे को करना ही है चाहे कुछ भी हो. So मैं 6 days I make sure कि मैं वर्कआउट करूँ, and 7th day I take a break. ठीक है, and you need it. ठीक है, कोई भी अगर ऐसा बोलता है कि 7 पूरे हफ्ते आपको एक्सरसाइज करना है, दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. इवन ट्रेनर विल ऑल्सो टेल यू द सेम थिंग कि आपको एक दिन रेस्ट करना चाहिए, आपकी बॉडी को एक दिन रेस्ट चाहिए ही चाहिए. ओके, सो आई डू वर्कआउट फ्रॉम मंडे टू सैटरडे, एंड संडे को आई गिव माई बॉडी कंप्लीट रेस्ट. हाँ, बट मैं मेडिटेशन, जर्नलिंग, शैडो वर्क, एफर्मेशंस, ये तो मतलब नॉन नेगोशिएबल है. मतलब मैं नींद में भी बोलती रहती हूँ. ठीक है, सो वो तो मैं नहीं छोड़ सकती. बट हाँ, वर्कआउट इज समथिंग दैट आई गिव रेस्ट टू माई बॉडी बिकॉज इट डिजर्व, बिकॉज माई बॉडी डिजर्व्स. ओके, सो मैं क्या करती हूँ दैट ऑन 7th डे आई गिव रेस्ट टू माई बॉडी, एंड वॉट एवर आई वॉन्ट टू ईट आई ईट. लिटरली मेरे को जो भी खाना है, क्योंकि मैं पूरे हफ्ते नहीं खाती. एंड इवन इफ आई ऑर्डर समथिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, तो मैं ये पिज़्ज़ा बर्गर ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं ऑर्डर करती हूँ. आई ईट समथिंग दैट इज़ हेल्दी. एंड सिमिलरली दैट इज़ वॉट यू हैव टू डू. कोई भी छोटी छोटी सक्सेस, whenever you are going to achieve it, acknowledge it and give yourself a treat because you deserve it. आपने मेहनत की है तो obviously you deserve it. What you want कि कोई आके तुम्हें बताए, acknowledge करे. No, no one knows what you are doing behind the cameras. ठीक है, आपकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है किसी को कुछ नहीं पता. लोग सिर्फ आपका एंड रिजल्ट ही देखते हैं. People only see the end result of it. किसी को घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आपने कितनी मेहनत की. किसी को मतलब नहीं है. ठीक है, इट्स ओनली यू. सो इट्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू ट्रीट योर सेल्फ एज वेल. ठीक है, तो ट्रीट योर सेल्फ फॉर एवरी लिटिल स्मॉल सक्सेस दैट यू आर गोइंग टू अचीव इट on the journey of your big goals. These 2 points are my best favorite points because that has helped me a lot to be consistent with my goals. So first of all is visualization. Okay, what you have to do, if you don't want to meditate for like 30 minutes, it's completely fine, it's up to you, but at least meditate for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and then first focus. Okay, because it's really difficult when you are going to start meditating. It's really difficult to focus on meditation. Okay, so first learn how to focus, how to shut your mind. Okay, and then visualize your goals. Okay, suppose you want to start your business. कैसा लगेगा if you have that business, right? How you're gonna feel? Obviously you're gonna feel amazing, right? बहुत अच्छा लगेगा that okay, I'm having a successful business, I am a successful businessman, I'm earning blah 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 money, whatever. Okay, you will feel amazing. Don't let negative thoughts come in between that meditation. No, that visualization, you only have to think positive. नेगेटिव सोचने का ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. बस ऐसे ही सोचो कि नेगेटिव हो ही नहीं सकता. नेगेटिव जैसी कोई चीज है ही नहीं. ओके, इट्स योर visualization, it's your mind, you are visualizing it. So वो आपके ऊपर है कि आप क्या सोचना चाहते हो. Don't let those negative thoughts come between your beautiful goals and amazing dreams that you have in your mind. Don't let that. Okay, what visualization does is, most of the time why people are not consistent with the goals, because they don't know how it feels. Okay, you don't know. When you visualize, you have to feel each and every emotion as it is already happened. Okay, you have to think कि ये हो चुका है. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि आने वाला है. You have to think that you are that person. If you want to be a businessman, think that you are a businessman right now. That successful businessman, that you have that vision. Okay, the vision that you have for a businessman, you have to think that you are that person right now. Okay, so you have to feel all the emotions in you. Now what visualization is going to do, that you know that how it feels. You know how it feels to be rich. You know how it feels to have a perfect body. You know how it feels to achieve something, like whatever your goals are. Like, okay, if you want to buy an iPhone, like you know how it feels to have an iPhone in your hand. Okay, a lot of people would not have that dream, but I'm just giving you an example. Okay, कि suppose कैसा लगे, obviously you're gonna feel amazing, right? Now whenever you will think कि okay, I want to skip it, I don't want to do it right now, so your mind, your subconscious mind will constantly tell you that, do you think that if your best version of yourself would have been in this place, she would have skipped that? No. जब भी बताया, when I was like on my weight loss journey and my mental health journey, even अभी भी कभी भी मेरे को ऐसा होता है ना कि literally I want to skip, मेरे को आज नहीं करना है यार, बाद में करूँगी. My mind, like I have trained my subconscious mind in such a way कि वही मेरे को वापस आके बोलता है कि what do you think your future version have done right now? She would have skipped that? I don't think so. And वो ना guilt trip देता है. और फिर उसके बाद ना इट मेक्स मी कंसिस्टेंट एंड इट्स लाइक नहीं, मेरे को करना ही है, मैं उस चीज़ को छोड़ नहीं सकती. बिकॉज आई नो दैट दिस इज माई गोल, आई नो हाउ इट फील्स राइट नाउ, आई नो माई फ्यूचर वर्जन वुड नॉट डू दिस थिंग, सो आई हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट. The next thing, okay, and the last point, fifth point, that is make a vision board. बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ होगा ना that you must have heard from a lot of people कि उन लोगों ने vision board बनाया था and they achieved this and that, which I didn't believe it until I did it actually. And मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मेरे vision board में थी which I have already achieved it, and yeah, I've made another vision board. So that is what I'm gonna tell you as well, that whatever your visions are, not the bigger ones, okay, not the bigger ones, don't keep that in your vision board right now. Just keep those small which I mentioned in the first point, that break down your goals in the smaller pieces, like smaller chunks. Same thing you have to do on vision board, okay. Don't keep you can, but then it will be like you will feel that it's unachievable, okay. So you don't have to think like that, okay. When you are going to make the vision board, you have to be in your highest vibration, okay. Highest vibration means you should be happy, joyful, blessed, grateful, loved. These kind of emotion you should have. If you're not able to focus it, just कोई भी गाना सुनने है ना, just play a song and just vibe into it and just make a vision board. Like feel every emotions as you did in visualization. Same thing you have to do in vision board as well. Okay, you have to feel each and every moment as it has already happened. Okay, so you have to make your vision board from now till 6 months. Now there's a tip. First तो मैंने बता दिया that you should be at your highest vibration. The second tip is, whenever you are going to make a vision board of yours, you can take pictures from Pinterest or something. Yeah, you can take it from Pinterest. I make from Pinterest actually. So whatever picture you are going to take it, that person's face should not be visible. As simple as that. Okay? And if it is your picture, then it's fine. If it's not, then do it as I said. Their feature, their body type and everything, it should be like matching to you. Okay, it's really important. Why? Because then you would be able to believe it that it's yours. Okay, it's you. And same thing when you are making vision board, you have to feel that it has already happened. Okay, this might seems crazy, but please try it out, because I know I did it and it really worked for me. So I'm sure that it's going to work out for you as well. After making that vision board of yours, okay, hang it anywhere, wherever you feel like that, okay, this is the place where I can see every day. It's fine. Otherwise, you can save it in your laptop or in your phone wallpaper, like whatever. And give at least 10 minutes every single day seeing, watching that vision board and feel that why you have started this journey, why you wanted to achieve something. It will remind you constantly that why you have chose this path, why you are on this journey. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Before wrapping up this video, I just wanted to tell you one more thing. Whenever you are making a list of your goals, please never think that it is not possible for you. Okay? Don't have these kind of emotions, not just with making a list of your goals, even with your vision board or your visualization. Never think that it's not possible for you. It is possible for you. Don't think that it's not possible. Don't think that you are not worth it. Don't think that you are asking for too much. No, there is no limitation. You deserve it. You're worth it. You can achieve anything that you want. You deserve everything. Okay? There is nothing, there is no such thing that is impossible for you. Everything is possible. So just have faith. Okay? Have a positive mindset whenever you are making your goals, whenever you are making your vision board, whenever you are having that visualization, whenever you are doing that visualization method, whatever, okay, whatever you are doing it, don't have negative thoughts. Okay, you might afterwards when you start your journey you will have questions on yourself कि पता नहीं मेरे से होगा नहीं होगा. That is going to happen. It's normal. We all are human. When I started my YouTube journey, that was also my goal because मैंने पता नहीं कितनी बारी बोल दिया है अभी तक. बट हाँ, ये भी चीज़ था कि मुझे 3-4 साल से मेरे मन में था, लेकिन मैं इतना डरती थी कि आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू स्टार्ट इट. बट ये भी एक चीज़ थी कि मैंने सोच के रखा था कि कुछ भी हो जाए, आई एम गोना स्टार्ट माई यूट्यूब चैनल. For the people who haven't started it or who don't know about it, they must be thinking यार क्या है, हर बार एक ही चीज़ बोलती रहती है, इतना भी तो क्या ही बड़ा बात हो गया. No, you don't have any idea. The person who is like very shy and putting yourself in front of so many people who like you don't know how they are going to consume you, it's a big thing. Okay, so obviously it's a big thing, and I know that when I was like starting my YouTube channel, I know that I was going through a lot of anxiety. इतनी ज़्यादा एंग्जाइटी मुझे होती थी, इतनी ज़्यादा एंग्जाइटी होती थी, मेरे को मेरी खुद के हार्ट बीट कान तक सुनाई देती थी. एंड आई एम नॉट किडिंग इट. ओके, लिटरली आई एम नॉट किडिंग इट. मेरी हालत इतनी खराब थी. आई स्पोक विथ माई साइकियाट्रिस्ट एंड आई टोल्ड हर लाइक दिस इज व्हाट is happening with me, and she was like, it's normal, it's completely fine. When you are going through, when you are starting a new thing or you're coming out from your comfort zone, it happens. Okay, when you are putting yourself in front of so many people, and social media is something that is like gives a lot of anxiety. Okay, later on you will know that how to deal with this emotion. It is the beginning, so it's really normal. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you're gonna like it, and yeah, make your goals, go for it, and let me know what you have achieved it. And yeah, I'll be rooting for you. Bye.